Hey everybody, and welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're going to be taking a deep dive into Warrior Plus and how it can be a really awesome resource for affiliate marketing beginners.
Yeah, it's a really great option for getting your feet wet with affiliate marketing.
So for our listeners who may not be super familiar with it, can you just give us like a quick rundown of what Warrior Plus is?
Sure. So basically, it's a platform where you can find and promote digital products as an affiliate.
Okay, so kind of like a digital marketplace.
Exactly. And the cool thing is you don't have to create your own products. You just find products you like, promote them, and earn a commission when someone buys through your link.
That sounds pretty awesome, especially for beginners who might not be ready to create their own products yet.
Right. It's a great way to get started with affiliate marketing without a lot of upfront investment.
Okay, so let's say I'm a total newbie and I'm ready to dive into Warrior Plus. Where do I even begin? What are the first steps?
Well, the first thing you need to do is sign up for an account. It's super easy and free.
Okay, free's always good. And then what?
Once you're inside, you'll want to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. It's pretty straightforward and shows you all the important stuff, your earnings, clicks, and all that.
Okay, so once I'm in and I kind of get the lay of the land,
hmm
how do I actually find products to promote?
That's where the fun begins. You'll head to the affiliate offers section and start browsing. They have a ton of different categories, ebooks, courses, software, you name it.
Okay, so it's like window shopping for digital products.
Exactly. And you can filter by niche, price, commission rate, all sorts of things.
Ooh, filtering is key, especially with so many options. But with so many products to choose from, how do you know which ones are actually worth promoting?
That's a great question. There are a few key metrics you want to look at. One is the sales number, obviously. You want to promote products that are actually selling well.
Right, you don't want to waste time on something nobody's buying.
Mm.
What else should we be looking at?
Another important one is the conversion rate. That tells you what percentage of people who click on your affiliate link actually end up buying the product. A higher conversion rate means more money in your pocket.
So the higher the conversion rate, the better. Got it.
Mm.
Anything else?
You'll also want to check out the refund rate. A low refund rate means people are generally happy with the product, which is always a good sign.
Makes sense. We want to promote products that people actually like and find valuable.
Exactly. And Warrior Plus has a cool feature called the Pulse Score, which kind of gives you an over-on snapshot of how well an offer is performing.
So a high pulse score means it's probably a good product to promote.
Yeah, it's a good indicator. Of course, you always want to do your own research too, but the Pulse Score can definitely help you narrow down your choices.
Okay, so let's say I found a product that looks promising and I'm ready to start promoting it. What's the next step?
Well, you can't just start promoting any product you want. You need to get approved by the vendor first.
Oh, right. It's like applying for a job you're applying to promote someone's product.
Exactly. And just like with a job application, you want to make a good impression. You need to show the vendor that you're serious about promoting their product and that you have a plan for reaching their target audience.
So it's not just about slapping your affiliate link everywhere.
Definitely not. You need to have a strategy. Think about who your target audience is, where they hang out online, and how you can reach them.
Okay, so I need to be strategic about my promotion. Makes sense.
And don't get discouraged if you get rejected by a vendor. It happens to everyone, especially when you're starting out.
Yeah, rejection is part of the game. But if I do get approved, where do I find my affiliate link?
It'll be in your offers section right next to the product you've been approved for.
Got it. So now I have my affiliate link and I'm ready to start promoting. But how do I actually get people to see my link and click on it?
That's where traffic comes in. You need to drive traffic to your affiliate links. And the cool thing is, there are a lot of ways to do this for free.
Free is always music to my ears.
One popular method is YouTube. You can create videos related to the product you're promoting, provide some valuable information, and then include your affiliate link in the description.
So it's kind of like content marketing. You're creating content that people actually want to watch and then subtly promoting your affiliate product.
Exactly. And for those who aren't comfortable being on camera, there are ways to create YouTube content without ever showing your face.
Really? Tell me more about that.
There are tools that let you create videos using animation, voiceovers, and even AI, so you can still get your message out there without having to be the star of the show.
That's amazing. It really opens up the possibilities for people who might be a little camera shy.
Absolutely. And don't forget about the power of social media platforms like Instagram can be great for promoting affiliate offers.
Yeah, I can definitely see that building a following and creating engaging content could be a great way to drive traffic to your links.
It's all about building relationships, providing value, and connecting with people who are interested in what you have to offer.
This is all super helpful. I'm already feeling more confident about navigating Warrior Plus, But one thing I'm curious about is what are some common mistakes you see beginners making on the platform? And more importantly, how can we avoid them?
Well, one of the biggest mistakes I see is beginners trying to promote too many products at once.
Oh, yeah, I can see how that would be tempting. You see all these shiny objects and you want to promote them all?
Exactly. But the problem is when you spread yourself too thin, you're not really focusing on anything.
Right. It's better to be a master of one than a jack of all trades.
Exactly. Choose a few products that you're really passionate about and that align with your niche.
Okay, so focus is key. What else should beginners avoid?
Another common mistake is not tracking their results.
Ooh, yeah. Data is important. How can we track our results effectively?
Warrior Plus makes it really easy. They have built-in tracking tools that show you your clicks, conversions, and earnings.
Okay, so we can see what's working and what's not.
Right. You want to know which products are converting well, which traffic sources are bringing in the most sales, and all that good stuff.
So we can tweak our strategies and optimize our campaigns.
Exactly. It's all about continuous improvement.
This is making me think of another question, actually. Um, Sometimes you apply to promote a product and the vendor rejects you. How do you deal with that?
Don't take it personally. It happens to everyone.
Yeah, I guess it's like dating apps. You're not going to be everyone's cup of tea.
Exactly. Sometimes it's just not the right fit. But don't let it discourage you. Just keep applying and refining your pitch.
Okay, so persistence is key.
Absolutely. The more you apply, the better your chances of getting approved. And even if you get rejected, you can always learn from it and improve your approach for next time.
So it's a learning process.
It is. And it's important to remember that you don't have to do this alone. There's a huge community of affiliate marketers out there who are willing to help and support each other.
Yeah, that's one of the things I love about online business. There's always someone you can reach out to for advice or encouragement.
Exactly. So don't be afraid to join forums, Facebook groups, or even attend online events. You'd be surprised how helpful and supportive the community can be.
Okay, so we've talked about the platform, the strategies, the mistakes to avoid, and the importance of community. But what about the mindset? What kind of mindset do you think is essential for success in affiliate marketing?
Well, I think one of the most important things is to have a growth mindset.
Meaning?
Being open to learning new things, trying new strategies, and constantly improving your skills.
Yeah, affiliate marketing is always changing, so you have to be willing to adapt.
Exactly. You can't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes. That's how you learn and grow.
So embrace the failures.
Exactly. And don't compare yourself to others. Everyone's journey is different.
That's so true. It's easy to get caught up in the comparison trap, but we all have our own unique path.
Absolutely. Focus on your own goals and progress and celebrate your wins along the way.
This is all great advice. I'm curious to hear your thoughts on the bigger picture of Warrior Plus and its role in empowering beginners in the world of affiliate marketing.
I think one of the coolest things about Warrior Plus is that it's so accessible. You don't need a ton of money or experience to get started.
It really democratizes the world of online business.
Exactly. It gives anyone with an internet connection the opportunity to build a business and create their own success.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I'm excited to see what our listeners do with this information. And speaking of our listeners, I'd love to hear their thoughts on this.
Yeah.
What are you most excited about when it comes to affiliate marketing? What kind of impact do you hope to make? Let us know in the comments below.
Yeah, we'd love to hear from you.
And now we're going to take a quick break, but when we come back, we'll be sharing some inspiring success stories from real people who have achieved amazing results with Warrior Plus.
I always love hearing those kinds of stories. It's so inspiring to see how people are using Warrior Plus to achieve their dreams.
Right. It shows that it's possible, even for beginners. Okay, so are you ready for a success story?
Hit me with it.
Okay, so this one's about a woman named Sarah. She was a stay-at-home mom who was looking for a way to earn some extra income, without having to sacrifice time with her kids.
Yeah, that's a tough balance to strike.
Right. And she didn't have any prior experience with online business or anything like that.
Yeah.
But she was super determined to find something that worked for her.
I love that.
So she stumbled upon Warrior Plus and started browsing through the offers.
And what kind of niche did she go for?
Well, she decided to focus on what she knew best, parenting. She started a blog where she shared parenting tips, product reviews, things like that.
That's smart. She leveraged her existing knowledge.
Exactly. And she started incorporating her affiliate links for baby products, toys, kids' clothes, things that she was already buying for her own kids.
So she was promoting products that she genuinely used and loved.
Yes. And that authenticity really resonated with her audience. People could tell that she wasn't just trying to sell them something. She was genuinely trying to help other parents.
And did it work?
Oh, yeah. Within a year, she was earning a consistent income from her affiliate marketing.
That's awesome. It's proof that you don't need to be some kind of marketing guru to succeed with this.
Right. You just need to be passionate about something and be willing to put in the work.
Ah,
Okay, you ready for another story?
bring it on.
All right. So this one's about a guy named John. He was a recent college grad who was having a tough time finding a job.
Oh, I know that feeling.
Right. It's tough out there for new grads. So anyway, John was feeling pretty discouraged, but he didn't give up. He started exploring different options, and that's how he found WarriorPlus.
Interesting. So what niche did he end up in?
Well, he was always really into personal finance, so he decided to focus on promoting products in that niche, like budgeting tools, investing courses, debt management resources, things like that.
Smart move. He found a niche that aligned with his interests.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And he started building a presence on social media, Instagram, Twitter, even TikTok, sharing tips and advice about personal finance.
So he was providing value and building an audience at the same time.
Right. And then he started incorporating his affiliate links for the products he was recommending.
So he was essentially monetizing his passion.
Exactly. And it worked. Within a couple of years, John was making more money from his affiliate marketing than he would have in a traditional job.
Wow, that's amazing. It really shows the power of affiliate marketing.
Right. It can be a legitimate way to build a business and achieve financial freedom.
Okay, so we've heard some pretty inspiring stories, but I think it's important to acknowledge that affiliate marketing isn't always easy.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
It takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt.
Right. There are going to be challenges and setbacks along the way, but the rewards can be so worth it.
Absolutely. And if you're willing to put in the effort and stay focused on your goals, you can achieve amazing things.
Well said. Well, folks, that's all the time we have for today's deep dive into Warrior Plus. Hopefully you found this episode helpful and inspiring.
Yeah, we hope you learned a lot about the platform and how it can help you get started with affiliate marketing. And remember, even if you're a complete beginner, you can achieve success with Warrior Plus. Just be willing to learn, take action, and never give up on your dreams. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.